Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paycom HR Services Portal, Workforce Login step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the Paycom HR Services Portal. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you'll see two fields. The first field is for your username. Enter your username in this field. Next, move to the second field, which is where you will input your password. Carefully enter your password in this field. Before you click the login button, double-check your entries for accuracy. Once you've confirmed that your username and password are correct, click the login button. If your login credentials are accurate, you will be directed to your Paycom dashboard. If you encounter an error message, review your username and password for any mistakes. If you've forgotten your password, locate and click the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. Finally, log in to access your Paycom HR services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.